Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi 13T. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. And now click open. Here you can set your Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try the Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And you can turn notifications from this app, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox browser is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.